guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's another vlog. Today is what's today's date now? Today's 22 December 2023. Welcome everyone, welcome to my amazing subscribers. I appreciate you all for being here. I just finished from Sainsbury's, so I was going to start the vlog in Sainsbury's, but you guys know Sainsbury's here allow you to vlog. So I'm in the car park of Sainsbury's. Okay, I'm in the car park. I'm just trying to pack my shopping, which I will show you guys when I get to. This Sainsbury's allowed me to vlog. I see my trolley there. I would have vlogged, but I don't allow you to vlog inside Sainsbury's. So this is just a mini food top up, plus just a mini Christmas things I got. Not really Christmas, but just I'll show you guys when I get to. Anyway, welcome back to the vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? So I'll catch you guys when I get home. Hi guys, I'm back home now. Welcome back to the channel again. Merry Christmas to everyone. Today's 22, as I said earlier. Let me show you guys. Today's 22. I was in Sainsbury's. I actually went there to go and I'm not sure if you guys can see. I don't think so. It's 10 o'clock on the dot, 22. Okay. So I went to go and take snappy picture. I just wanted a photo ID to use for something. And I remember I needed to just get some few stuff from Sainsbury's. Okay. I spent £39 and some pence. My receipt is somewhere, but anyway, it's a vlog. Let me just show you guys what I bought. Sainsbury's, okay. I'll show you guys in a minute what I bought. Let me see if I can get my receipt as well and tell you guys the price. You know me, I like showing you guys what I bought and the price. So I just came back from work, okay. Yeah, I just came back from work. From work I went there, right? So let me show you guys what I bought. Okay guys, so this is what I actually went to do. I want to take a picture. This picture is £10. You guys can't believe that. This is £10. Just this 4 picture. I need to even cut it out. It's £10. Okay, so I got all the few stuff I bought there. This is my receipt here. Sainsbury's. I know it's not focusing, but Sainsbury's. Yeah guys, so I spent £39, 69p. I had a nectar point, but I forgot to. I don't know if it's going to show you guys. Oh, focus. I hate when it doesn't focus. There it is. £39. You guys can see there. Yeah. Okay, that is that. So let me tell you guys how much I spent. I mean, tell you guys the item. You know, sometimes my brain is doing slowness. So guys, I got this 1 pint of 2. Is it 3.4? I don't know if it's 3.4. Anyway, I just got this big milk, the big one. It's telling me it's 3.4, whatever there. I don't know if it's 3.4, but anyway, it's £2.15p. Just this one. Then the next thing is evaporated milk. I got 4 evaporated milk, 65p for one. Okay, next thing I got is the golden syrup. The one I normally buy, I didn't see it, so I decided to just pick this one, as I didn't see the one I would normally get. Their own brand. That's the one I'm talking about. Their own brand. Okay, so this particular golden syrup is £2.50. Then I got some cheddar slice, £1.39. I got just one. Then we got some ham. The ham is £2.65, just one. Okay, and then we got some thick bread, sliced bread. They are 75p each. I got 3 of them, so you guys can see 3 of them. Okay, and then we got some butter. This butter I bought it in case baking, not in case baking and cooking jollof rice. I got 2. One is £1.50. Okay, because I'm going to be using it for jollof rice and for baking as well. Okay, and then we got some donuts, ring donut. They are £1.15, £1.15 each. So I got custard and sugar ring, something like that. Okay, so they are £1.15 each. And then I got some Cornish pastry, which are these ones here. I got 2 of them. Okay, so the Cornish pastry are £2.75, so I got 2. And then I also got this coleslaw. I got coleslaw to eat jollof rice and fried rice, £1.80. I bought 2 of them. It's very nice for jollof rice and fried rice coleslaw. Okay, bought 2, £1.80 each. I got some pad. Where's the pad safe? I don't know where the pad has entered. Oh, the pad is on top of my freezer. I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, I got some pad. The pad is £1.50 for the pad. And then I got sausage rolls. This is their own brand sausage roll. They are 95p. I was going to buy more than 3. I was tempted to buy 4, but I bought just 3. They are 95p each. Okay, for Christmas. There's 8 of them instead of me baking or doing my own. These are cheaper, and I'm sure they will taste nice. Okay, so there's 8 of them in there. Seriously, I would have bought like 4 or 5, but it's okay. So I just know that I bought £5 worth, because 95p for this pack. So I got 3 anyway, so that's 8.16 plus another 8. Should be okay. You just to warm it and eat. It's ready to eat. You just warm it, and yeah, just warm it a little bit in the oven, and it's ready. Is it ready to even eat? No, I think you have to cook it in the oven for 14 minutes. Yeah, this product is, yeah, it's ready to eat, but may also be eaten hot and cold. Yes guys, it's ready to eat. So that's it. So it's 95p for 1. I got 3 of them. And then we got some tomato ketchup, which are over here. I got 2 tomato ketchup, £1.45. The tomato ketchup, the price went up. The price of this went up. It was £1.35, something like that, or £1.39. It's now £1.45. So it went up. You guys know the way things always go up. If you go there today, it's £1 something. You go there in 1 week time, it's almost £2. So the tomato ketchup price increased, because that's not how much I used to buy it from them. Okay, it's now £1.45. Then we have lettuce, 75p for the lettuce. So I got 2 lettuce. They're 75p each. And then I got this tray, which I want to use as multi-purpose for cooking anything, chicken, rice, puff, buns. I got 2. I bought 1 before, so I got 3 of them now. So I bought 2. They are £1.50. Instead of me doing cleaning and looking for where to store things, that's why I decided to just buy those trays. Okay guys, so yeah, that's my mini haul for this vlog. I'm just going to let the children sort them out. I think I'm going to rest, and then I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this is like 2 days later. Okay, where I went. Where did I went to, sir? I can't remember where I went to. Jesus. Oh, Sainsbury's. My brain. Today is Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas to everyone. You guys may probably see this video when Christmas is over, or maybe you will see this video before Christmas. I don't know. Today is 24 anyway. But wishing you all, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas celebration with your families and friends. Wishing you all a happy, prosperous new year. Okay, because I have a feeling you guys are likely to see this vlog maybe before Christmas. That means I have to post this vlog tomorrow, Christmas Day. I'll post Christmas vlog on the 26th, or less that. But I have other vlogs, so I don't know. But I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas if you see this vlog after Christmas. Wishing you all a how will I say it, a fabulous, that is it, a fabulous, prosperous new year. Okay guys, so yeah, I want to try and see if I can end this vlog. I want to do some laundry first, and then I'll show you guys what I'm cooking, my protein for Christmas. Okay, so I just quickly want to pack the dry clothes first. So I just want to end this vlog. It's not a long vlog. I went to Sainsbury's, I did a shopping, did a haul with you guys. I just thought I would just, because I'm doing daily vlog, lifestyle daily vlog, so you guys already know. So but I'm going to put it on my community page that I'll be doing daily vlog after vlogmas. Okay, so continuation of vlogging, you guys already know. Okay, so yeah, so let me just pack this clothes, put it in my dryer, and I'll show you guys my protein that I'm using for tomorrow. But I'll be preparing tonight. If I may probably show you guys where I'm preparing it, then I'll end the vlog so that it's just normal what I'm doing. I just came back from work like now. This is 9:20. It's 9:20, but 9:23. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, about 9:23 in the morning. So I just got home from 12 hours shift. My work is 12 hours anyway. If you work in the healthcare section, it's 12 hours. Okay, so although some people do like 8, 9 hours, 10 hours, but mine is 12 hours. Okay, so I just got home. I have cold. You guys can hear from my voice. My nose is blocked and so on. But anyway, let me do the laundry and I'll show you guys the protein. Hopefully I remember to show you guys where I'm seasoning everything before I end the vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't skip my ad. Thank you so much guys. Alright guys, there's a lot of noise in the kitchen because I've turned on the dryer, as you guys saw earlier. So this is my protein. You guys should wait, my husband is calling my phone. My husband is calling from Nigeria. Hello, Ifemio.
Yes.
Okay. There's the chicken. So chicken. Chicken wings. These are chicken wings. And this is beef that I'll be using. That is beef. You guys will see it when I cook. That will be a separate video. So that's it. Just thought I will show you guys first